Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing IoT-powered predictive maintenance for HVAC systems. IoT, or Internet of Things, enables HVAC systems to collect and analyze data in real time. By analyzing data, predictive maintenance can anticipate when a component is likely to fail. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and reduces the risk of costly repairs. Through IoT sensors, HVAC systems can monitor various aspects such as temperature, humidity, and energy consumption. Data collected by IoT sensors is transmitted to a central system for analysis. Predictive maintenance algorithms can identify patterns that indicate potential issues before they occur. Early detection of issues allows for timely repairs or replacements, avoiding major system failures. Regular maintenance schedules can be optimized based on the actual condition of HVAC equipment. This data-driven approach ensures that maintenance activities are carried out only when necessary.